Hello viewers, today I was telling about if your Instagram two-factor authentication code not received means first, first of all you need to click on long press on your Instagram account and go to settings and privacy and on the all the notifications. After that you need to come back and go to Play Store. If your account was not in update means you can update it and check your Instagram login with your which mail and which phone number. You need to clear that. After that you need to click on Instagram account. uh, you need to click on here. So here it will show app info. It will show the app details of Instagram account. uh, App support, we need to click on mail. We need to click on this one. The subject is to attention code not received. Here you need to type a mail which mail was login with your Instagram account. After that you need to type your contact number also. After that you need to type your Instagram username ID. I was typing my username ID of Instagram network hub by. So after that you need to uh, send a post or send a message to this mail. So within 24 hours they will definitely receive your mail and they will definitely respond to your mail. You will definitely rectify your problem. Thank you.